Welcome back to Enlightened Trading. This is Conrad, and I just show you a quick update on Bitcoin. Didn't really change much according to the charts. You can see right here we today broke out of our ascending small channel. We had this trend line coming up. Had a wedging formation shortly faked out, and then broke below again, and we are close now to daily lows. So quite interesting. We touched and wicked off of this descending channel line I drew and I mentioned in my last video. So this happened as expected. What I now would like to see is to come down again, maybe have a little bit more volatility, since we had a declining volume quite steadily in this correction, which has me leaning a bit more bullish, but actually quite neutral now, since there just isn't too much selling or order buying going on. So this has to be respected in your analysis. There just isn't much demand, although I do like to see this falling channel, this descending channel after this break, since this is usually a sign of reversal, since this can easily form into another bigger reversal pattern. At least that's how I like to trade it. On the daily, we had the RSI shortly coming up now, forming somewhat of a bear flag actually. We could, if we look at history, after such a major break of quite clear levels, we can go quite lower, even though we are already oversold. So yeah, even though we have a lot of support right here, you can see on the weekly we wicked to the 100 EMA exactly, and we basically bounced off the penny. I think it like 30 cents or 20 cents off of this 100 EMA on the weekly. So that's quite interesting too. And in the past, since we came above it and touched it, we haven't revisited it after our break down and break up. So could be important support also with like 7,500, which is quite a critical level based on support and resistance, and on our Fibonacci retracement, which, if we pull it up quickly, which is coming up right there, I think so. Yeah, like 7,300 ish right here. So quite a critical level of support. We can, of course, break this channel line, trend line, which isn't too clear. What I would be watching is this. Oh no, that's not what I really want to move. It's this right here, this descending trend line. I will just save it real quick, and we can maybe draw it like that to have it a bit more clear, like that ish. I'll save it again. So this could be playing out at the moment. We can, of course, like wick down, wick below, but we have so much support incoming that I'm definitely staying away from shorting Bitcoin in general. Maybe I'll be trying it in the future on BitMEX, but but for now I will be staying on uh, on Coinbase, of course. Although this Bitstamp, as I mentioned already, I trade the Bitcoin Euro. Yeah, this could also be now, forming into, although this is a bear flag at the moment, into an ascending triangle, but this is too much in the future, and yeah, it's not clear at all. So I will be looking at BTC USD for now. But yeah, new lows still coming, heavy support incoming definitely. This could be low. I don't know. I'm quite neutral actually. Of course, I already bought my Bitcoin in this vicinity. Just after breaking, I bought all the way down here and all the way back down. So yeah, hope I get a bit, maybe even a bit more on the way down. But I do think this. Well, I'm bullish. I'm bullish Bitcoin long term. I think if you don't, then you should question what you call valuable in the vicinity of financial assets, and you definitely have to look closer to gain more knowledge on Bitcoin and crypto, but mostly Bitcoin. I'm not bullish. Other cryptocurrencies mostly. Yeah, quite a Bitcoin maximalist. Kind of always have been. But I of course had my altcoins here and there. Didn't have too good experiences. So yeah, sticking to Bitcoin for now. And yeah, so this is the update. Hope I'm not dragging anything along too. So just in summary, new lows could be coming. Even though I'm looking for a rebound in this range between like 8,500 and 7,500, I think there's heavy support incoming, and yeah. So this is it. You can do with this information as you please, and I hope you have a good start of your next week, and I wish you all the best. See you guys and girls back next time. Bye.